Gavin and Ani and I have come out to Sand Lake, and we're not the only ones who had that idea. There's a lot of people out here. The north parking lot is crowded as well. And why not? It's a beautiful day. We're gonna go over to the dunes and roll mud balls, listen to frogs, and maybe even catch a fish.
Can I try to follow the sound?
Yeah, we're on the south edge of Sand Lake at Terry Trueblood. Oh, and frogs are singing enthusiastically, except now the frogs in this little pool are quiet. We'll see if we can approach the next pool a little more stealthily. What was it? Whoa! Frogs jumping in. What kind of frogs were those, Gavin? Spring peepers? Really? They seem bigger. Were they leopard frogs?
I don't know. They look tiny.
Okay, maybe they were spring peepers. That makes sense. I'm gonna try to sneak up to this pool so the frogs don't stop singing. We're on the south edge of Sand Lake at Terry Trueblood. Oh, the water is just rippling. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, I think I've been spotted. What? Did that tree? Oh! Again?
I have never seen that before.
That's a fungus.
Oh.
And it's related to cedar apple rust. It's a fungus that affects cedar trees and apple trees.
Huh.
We're digging for some worms.
Can you
Fishing. Found a few. Well, let's see. Yeah. Gavin, can I hand these to you? Will you put them in the bucket?
That bucket?
Yeah, you can just put them in. Yeah. Let's see. There's one. There's a small one.
Should let it live.
Yeah, we'll let that one. There was a bigger one.
Daddy, are we gonna make the tracks the old-fashioned way?
Yeah. Oh, there's a good one.
Why
The mud ball tracks.
You'll see.
Is it a slug?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get that one too? I can't. Oh, one hand since I'm filming. Let's...
Yeah.
Oh. Let's...
Oh, there's one. Take. I think we have enough.
Yeah, that's probably enough. Okay. Thank you, guys. There goes some coots. Those were coots. This seems harder to do when there's a camera watching. Okay, there's a little hook. I'll put a little weight on it. So this is kind of a big weight. We're gonna just bait this hook with a worm and cast it out and see if we can catch a carp or a catfish. Okay. Now, I tell the kids, always close your tackle box every single time when you're done taking something out of it. And I sometimes remember that rule myself, and I'm glad when I do. Or actually, I should say I'm really frustrated when I don't. Because when you pick up a tackle box and it's open, well, you can imagine what happens. Sorry, worm. Appreciate your sacrifice. Okay, you can stop it. Okay, we'll keep an eye on this while we play, and maybe we'll catch a fish. It's kind of hard to see this from up where we're playing, so I rigged it up to make it easier to see if we get a fish. So I took this little piece of dried cattail and wrapped it around the line. So the idea is when the fish pulls, so the line is way out there in the water, when the fish pulls, it'll pull that up and pull our little ribbon off, and we'll be able to see that. I learned about that trick in West Virginia, but they use a soda pop can. They stick that over the end. I think the cattail is a little more elegant.
My mud ball observations.
Okay, end up near the fishing pole?
Down and near the fishing pole.
Okay. We're about to make our mud ball track.
What?
It's wide curves, long curves. And we can make one.
Oh yeah.
Here are the balls. We'll do
take this one.
We'll do mud balls too. Usually, we've done mud balls usually here, but I saw a thing online where they did marbles. That was pretty cool. So we've got a couple of marbles. We've got a ball of clay that Gavin made a while ago. And then, what are you using, Gavin?
I'm using the golf ball.
A golf ball. Okay. So this isn't exactly what we've done in the past, but that'll be fun. And then this track probably will make some obstacles later, but right now it's just a straight, or not straight actually. It's curved, but it doesn't have any obstacles. All right, go ahead.
3, 2, 1, balls away!
Whoops,
Oh.
okay.
We need to make a wall there. Hold on. Balls away. Yes! It worked!
All right. Whoop, well, yeah. So a golf ball is
Gavin,
pretty good.
what? You could make a jump so... Got it.
Okay.
I'll get the starting arena ready.
All right, so let's see what we have.
We have a baseball?
I think the baseball's gonna fly off.
Probably.
Let's see, we got a baseball,
Ball.
golf ball,
Clay ball,
a clay ball,
2 marbles,
okay, and then
and a tiny
this
sea glass.
tiny little sea glass marble thing. Okay, all right. let's
Line them up.
see. Hold on. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
On your marks. Get set. Balls away.
Oh, okay.
I'll just leave those.
Well,
Oh, it's up to the 2 marbles now. Oh, they both got stuck.
all right. Well, try again. Is your finger in it? Okay.
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna make a longer, straighter track. All right. Okay. Which ones are you gonna put down this time?
Let's do all of them.
I don't know. Pick out a couple of them. We'll see how they do on there.
Baseball, golf ball, marble, and then teardrop ball.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
You can put them all if you want.
Okay, we're doing the. Okay. Ready?
Whoa.
Sorry.
All right. Pretty calm.
Ready?
Yeah.